Hey everybody, how is it going this fine day? Getting some sun, which is absolutely great. And so it's time for more spring cleanup. You can see back here we've got a fence that's down. I'm so thankful that that's down because when we bought the place, that fence was there and I thought it was hideous. And my wife wanted it to stay, and I'm so glad it's down because I'm certainly not replacing it. Then we've got a temporary shelter that I bought a few years ago, and we had some wicked winds this past winter, and now I just bought a replacement canvas. And you see over there that we've got, I got to replace that now. So that should be coming any week. And I'm just charging the battery of the ATV. That should charge, a couple of days. I got it on a low to 8 amp charge. So hopefully that'll work out pretty good. But in the meantime, we'll take care of this fence. Okay, we're about to get rid of that fence that came down in the wintertime. Got my safety gear on, gloves. that was short and sweet. That's what I like. And let's see what some of these plants are doing. A couple of years ago, we planted magnolia, and it survived the first winter. We were a little concerned, and then we saw some new foliage, new leaves, and then later in the fall, I pinched a couple of the dry branches. Decided not to do any pruning yet, but probably this winter we'll do a little bit of pruning, and we'll see what else we've got going on here as well. Here we are. Here's our little magnolia. We don't have high hopes for the magnolia. I did not burlap the magnolia. It's kind of a sensitive plant where we are. Down closer to the water, they seem to do a little bit better. We don't have a great amount of shelter here. At least not here. You can see it's not really wind protected yet. And some of these trees here that went to seed, you know, I'm pretty sure in a few years they'll add some protection. And nature takes its time. It slows life down a bit and takes its time to do things. So nature is a good example of proper timing. And this one here is a Flame Amour maple. And we have high hopes for this. Maple does really well in our soils. And so we have great hopes for this in about 10 years. So we'll see what happens. And let's go over here. This morning I bought a new charger, and see, I had some error codes on the charger. Now we'll see if this battery is charging. No, okay, I keep getting error codes. I have a suspicion it's possibly because of the moisture on the leads. I'll have to clean that up properly. Take that in the shop, because I keep on getting an error message. So that's not doing it any good. So I'll have to see. Seems to have enough water in there, but I think that's possibly one of the issues that I'm dealing with. And then this mess over here, I just bought a new cover, so hopefully that'll show up in a couple of weeks and replace that cover. It lasted did it last 2.5 winters, so I'm hoping for a little bit better. I think the first time I put it on, there were a couple of mini tears from the bolts, and I think that was a contributing factor to the start of the rips. And then the wind, a really bad gust of wind, caught it, and that was the end of that. So yeah, okay, let's see what we can do about that. Maybe a double cover. I was thinking about a double cover. So I purchased the one from the company, replacement, and then I'll get another heavy-duty polyethylene cover to possibly go over top, and to see if that, for the extra little bit of money, see if that will help. So there you go, folks. That's a little bit of extra work for today. Just continue on with our cleanup and repair of items. Tomorrow, I'll order the compost. I'll get a couple of bags of worm cast and some premix. Get a couple of cubes of premix, and we'll do some seeding this week. Do some seeding this week. Get that all going. Perfect timing. I could have started a little bit earlier, but it's a lot better than what I have done in the past couple of years because of the business. But yeah, so we have a decent start. Seem to have fairly good energy this year, and continue on with my health and weight loss program, and continue on with that. Till next time, God bless. Peace.